Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Leo tunaenda for my eyes checkup. So I had an appointment with my doctor, so let's go. Okay, here is the hospital. It's called Opticians. Let's get in. Hapa nilikuwa napima the frames. I thought of changing my frame, but none impressed me. So I kept on changing while waiting for my doctor to call me in. Yeah. And stuff like that. So I just kept on looking, and nothing impressed me. Like, yeah, nothing at all. You just take a look of all those frames, nothing impressed me. So I was called in. I went for several checkups, and it wasn't that bad. So I was given a note to go and buy the meds. Yeah. After that, I was starving, really starving. So I passed by this what is it called? Nexum Eats, I think, something like that. So I walked in. Yeah, it's a good place, guys. When you're around Kitui, just make sure you get here. It's a nice place. So I went direct to the counter to place my order. Yeah, and look at my order. This is what I ordered: apple cider patch, juice, and fries, 1 piece of chicken. Yeah, it was crispy, it was tasty, it was yummy. So mimi nakupenda kuku yangu. Yeah, nikaanza kula and it was tasty, guys. The juice, it's exactly how I expected it to be, because apple juice is my favorite. So yeah, njaa ndio ilikuwa inanimaliza. So I ate like everything kubakisha. Yeah, and my juice was, try this one, it's the best. Hapo nishamaliza everything. Niliwaambia nilikuwa niko njaa. I washed my hands and walked out. But before that, I applied my lip balm. Ndio nisikie kama nimetoka kula yenye sikukula. Did I? No, I didn't. And after that, I walked out. Nakajisikangu kidogo because it was sunny. Jua ilikuwa imewaka kama kitu ingine. So nilibebe hiyo to cool me down. So yeah, that's how my day went, guys. And nikapanda bike to get me home, and that's how I spend my day. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Love you.